Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Oston Cypher back again with the simplest tutorial on YouTube. So I'm going to be showing you how you can create the black and white images on your website. No need to go to tools like Photoshop, Pixel Express, making images black and white. You have no experience in editing. So I'm going to be showing you how you can handle this using only CSS. Basically, we are having two images here. I'm having one called car1 and car2. So they are all going to be of the same type, colored but different names I gave to them. So I will insert them on a web page, img. So this is the syntax of inserting an image onto a web page. So there is no directory. I'll just write image1 with its file extension jpg. Then I insert another one, img, car2. So this is the second image and the file extension. Save this, preview it in the browser, and we are having two giant images on the web page, and they're of the same type as I told you, because I want you to see the difference when we handle this using CSS. So let me give them some width so that they be on the same line. So I'm going to target them by the tag name img. Oh, sorry, we first need to open the styling tag, which is this one. So we select them by the tag name img, short for image, and I'm going to give them some width of 40%. So I want them to be on the same line so that you guys can compare and contrast. So they're on the same line. We are having our colored car here and the same colored car here. Colored car there. Sorry. Now I'm going to give this car, the second image here, I'm going to give it an ID of BW, short for black and white. And when we go into our styling, I'm going to say hash. So I want to target it, and I say BW. So I'm targeting that with the ID of BW, and we target it using the hash pound. Guys, this video is for beginners. Open curly brackets and say filter. So that's the property we want, called filter. Then the value is going to be grayscale 100%. Refresh the page. Boom, black and white colored. Should we end here the tutorial? Simple, you can end from here watching. That's the only trick behind it. You just have to specify the property, which is filter, then grayscale and 100%. You don't need to be having experience using Photoshop, Pixel Express, only CSS, and it's only one line, 11, filter, grayscale, 100%, semicolon. Guys, if this tutorial was useful to you, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, like the videos, share them on different social medias. And the last tip, not all users that are going to be using Chrome. We are having those ones using Safari, Mozilla. So there are web prefixes you can be using. Web prefix. Let's say guys using Safari, this can work for them. Say WebKit, and specify the property name, which is filter, and the value, and passing the 100%. So guys, even on Safari will be able to get the same experience like the users on Chrome. They will still be seeing this image in this black and white format, and also be having the colored image. So guys, if this tutorial once again was useful to you, please subscribe to Oston Cypher. Peace. As always, I deliver the simplest tutorials on web development and generally on YouTube.